Guys, so before we get into today's review, I just wanted to talk about a few things real quick. If you follow my videos, you notice that I took a little bit of time off. It just didn't quite feel right with everything that's going on with the Black Lives Matter movement and protesting and everything involved in that. It didn't really seem right for me to just be talking about what beauty product I've been using while in quarantine. And honestly, it takes a lot of time to make these videos, and I thought my time would be better spent doing research and watching and reading and listening and all the things that is important for us allies to do. I've decided, like a lot of other beauty YouTubers, fashion YouTubers, whatever, that I wanted to purposefully add more Black-owned brands to my content. I originally wanted to do like a Black-only owned brand tutorial or something in that vein, because I thought that would be a great starting point. But after going through my collection, I realized I don't have enough brands that I own that happen to be Black-owned, which is not great. It obviously wasn't on purpose for me, but it is what it is, and I don't want it to be that way. So I am trying to change that. After even just the quickest of Google searches, there are so many Black-owned brands that have rave reviews, large brands, small brands, so many options for me to choose from. So currently I'm doing a lot of research on these brands, finding products that, I actually like and want to use, I don't want to just buy them because they are Black-owned. I have a few things coming in the mail. I have something I'm currently testing out right now. So today's review is going to be a Black-owned brand that I just happen to have. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be integrating more Black-owned beauty into my channel, because obviously that is a really important way to support the Black community at this time and forever. Also, if you're a fellow ally who's looking to support the Black Lives Matter movement and just the Black community, I'm going to link down below some charities that I've personally donated to so I can vouch for them, and I know exactly what they're doing for the community. I also have these linked in my bio on my Instagram, and I also have a highlight on my Instagram page of a bunch of resources for allies. So if you're feeling a little overwhelmed by the outpour of information in these last couple weeks, that's a good way to just see a few things at a time. Okay, so on to the review. Today I'm going to be talking about Briogeo. I actually had to look up how to pronounce this because I realized like right before I was going to film this that I hadn't said it out loud or heard someone say it out loud. So Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask. So I was really excited to try this out. Over the past, I guess it's been like, we'll say a year and a half. Maybe it's been a little longer. I've noticed that I've started getting just like little gray hairs randomly in my hair. I don't really care. I'm actually kind of excited to get gray hair. I think it's really pretty. But it has been changing the texture of my hair, which is the annoying part. It's just making my hair a lot more frizzy. I'm kind of scrambling trying to figure out products to use, and I've been horribly unsuccessful. Briogeo is a pretty large brand. I don't know exactly how large, but they are sold at Sephora, which at least speaks to their popularity. They are a clean brand, and they do use a lot of natural ingredients in their products. That was definitely a thing that drew me towards them. I know I've tried some of their stuff in the past. I know I've gotten samples for them, and like when I used to do like Ipsy and Birchbox and the Sephora monthly subscription. But I honestly don't remember what I thought of them then, and I haven't used them in the last like couple years. Let's talk a little bit about the basics. This obviously is not the full size. The full size is quite a bit larger and comes in a nice little like mini tub. And it is $36 on Sephora's website. They have their own website as well. And I'm sure it's about the same price, if not the same, but it's $36 on Sephora, which for the amount you're getting in it actually seems pretty fair, especially because I didn't need to use that much of it when putting it on my hair. This little guy is just a little trial size. I just wanted to obviously not commit to a full tub, especially because it's a lot harder to return things right now, and I didn't really want to go through that. So I got this little trial size. This is 1 fluid ounce. I've used it about 3 times and I still have some left, and my hair's not that long. So if you have like past shoulder, this might not be worth it for you. But besides this, I think it's a really good deal. And then, like I mentioned before, this is a hair mask, not a leave-in conditioner, definitely not a regular conditioner. So this is meant to be used about once a week. Um, you leave it in your hair for 10 minutes after shampooing. Leave it in for 10 minutes, go about your business, and then wash it out. It also says, I think it's on here, I did not do this, but for even deeper conditioning, cover the hair in a plastic cap to retain moisture while sitting under the dryer for 20 minutes, then rinse. So those are 2 options you have. Again, once a week, maybe twice a week, but if it works really well, I don't see why you would need to do it that much. Like a lot of things lately, what attracted me to this is some of the key ingredients are extremely hydrating and nourishing, which is exactly what I was looking for. I'm just going to read them off. I have their website pulled up here because I keep forgetting some of them because there's so many of them. Um, so I'm just going to give you the, what is it, 3 or 4 highlighted ones that are the most prevalent in this formula. Number 1, rose hip oil is in this, which if you've watched some of my videos, you may have heard me talking about rose hip oil before. I love rose hip oil. I love it so much. I've used like the Ordinaries and it cures just on my face as a moisturizer. It's great in your hair. It's just so moisturizing. It works for so many different people. I love it. So rose hip oil is good for controlling frizz and split ends, which I'm having a lot of problems with right now, especially not having gotten a haircut in months. It also has algae extract, which I did not really know anything about. If I've used that before, I was unaware. But on their website, it says it is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect from damage. Sounds pretty good to me. Also has almond oil, which is another oil that I really, really love. Almond oil is really great for moisturizing. It's great for your hair. It's great for using as a makeup remover. If you do the double cleansing, it's really great as a first step in that. It also enhances the shine and luster of dry or weak hair, which again, really great. And then lastly, not the final ingredient obviously, but these are just the main ingredients. It has B vitamins to nourish your hair, especially if you use a lot of heat on your hair. Vitamins are extremely important for that. Applying it was very easy. It's a conditioner, so it's pretty slippery and easy to move around, and you don't have to like, it doesn't need to suds up or anything, obviously, like a shampoo. So it was really easy to use. I don't have super long hair. My hair is kind of deceptively thick. But you know, you just take a couple extra minutes to make sure it's getting through every strand, getting on your scalp, just all over. You do have to leave it in for 10 minutes or 20 if you're using heat. That was a little inconvenient for me, but also I'm not used to, that's a pretty common thing for hair masks, that you have to leave it in for some time. You can't just immediately rinse it out. I did find it to be a little drippy because I didn't want to wrap my hair in a towel and take out some of the conditioner, so I kind of just had it kind of dripping on me. So what I did was I just shaved, keeping my hair away from the water while it was sitting. I guess if maybe you have a better hair tie than me, you could like brush your teeth or do something. So that part was a little inconvenient for me, but I think that was just me being a first timer. As far as smell, it has a light smell, but it's pretty inoffensive, at least to me personally. I can't quite place it. I know there is both avocado and coconut ingredients in this, and I would say that's like, oops, that's dripping all over me. I would say like avocado is probably the closest scent. So if you've ever smelled an avocado or just like guacamole that's not seasoned, it's a pretty light scent. Nothing much to worry about. Immediately putting it in my hair, it felt extremely moisturizing, not super heavy, very lightweight. Yeah, and otherwise than my hair just being kind of inconveniently drippy, it was very easy to use and had a really pleasant feel and smell. When it comes to how it actually worked out, I have to say I was a bit disappointed. I guess not, just a little disappointed. I didn't use heat or products afterwards. I just let it air dry. I wanted to just see how it looked on its own. My hair was shinier. My hair was softer. It definitely looked healthier. I don't have a lot of like heat damage or anything, so there wasn't a whole lot to fix, but my hair did look a lot nicer. My stupid flyaways and frizz weren't any different though. So I don't know if maybe my frizz is just a little too strong for this product. But since that's like the main concern I have right now, I won't be repurchasing this. I would recommend it for anyone who doesn't have as bad a frizz as me because, like I said, otherwise my hair definitely looked different. It looked shinier. It looked healthier. But that frizz is just, it's really my main concern right now. So I won't be buying this again, but I still would recommend it to people who are looking for something for shinier, stronger looking hair. And because of how it reacted with my hair, I think it would be really great if your hair was damaged from, say, maybe bleaching and dyeing too much or using too many heat products. I think this has a good chance of really helping you. Alright guys, so that is the end of my review. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more beauty reviews. Please comment down below on your favorite Black-owned beauty brand, even clothing brand too, because I'm looking for that as well. Hope you guys are having a good week. Stay safe, and I will see you guys next time.